Where's Reggie?
Listen to me, young Jake.
Oh, who are you?
I am the Great Turkey, the greatest of all turkeys. And I've come here to give you a mission, not to save 10 turkeys or even 100, but all of them.
All of them?
First,
You must go to Camp David and find the pardoned turkey. The awesome pardoned turkey.
The awesome pardoned turkey.
Well, he's not always awesome.
but he gets awesomer as it goes along. And you will need this for your journey.
Whoa, what is it?
It is the sacred time knob. It is very powerful.
Whoa.
It will protect you and keep you safe from harm.
But the most important thing for you to remember
Is that you must never give up, ever.
no matter what stands in your way. No matter what stands in your way. No matter what stands in your way.
Those are some angry birds.
Get the cannons.
Cannons? For turkeys, sir.
Get the cannons and form a line! Ready?